Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Framer templates. First, begin by opening Framer and creating a new project. Consider the core purpose of your template. Is it for a portfolio, a landing page, or an e-commerce site? This initial decision will guide your design choices. Think about the essential components and layouts that will be most useful to others. Aim for a versatile foundation that users can easily customize and expand upon for their own unique needs. Next, focus on the visual design and structure. Utilize Framer's powerful layout tools, such as stacks and grids, to build a flexible foundation. Design core components like headers, footers, and content sections. Make sure these components are well organized and clearly named for easy understanding. Pay close attention to responsive design, ensuring your template looks fantastic on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. This adaptability is crucial for a widely adopted template. Now, let's bring your template to life with interactivity. Use Framer's animation features to create smooth transitions and engaging micro-interactions. Implement states for components to handle different user actions, such as hovering or clicking. Explore variables to manage dynamic content and ensure your template is adaptable. You can also integrate with external data sources or content management systems, making your template incredibly versatile and powerful for various use cases. Finally, it's time to publish your masterpiece. Before publishing, thoroughly review your template for any inconsistencies or errors. Organize your layers and assets meticulously, ensuring everything is clearly labeled. Craft a compelling description that highlights your template's unique features and benefits, helping potential users understand its value. Once ready, submit your template to the Framer Template Store, making it available for thousands of designers and developers to utilize and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.